Use code CDaddy when you making your account. CDaddy.
Like, no matter what you do, if you put it on the internet, someone's gonna hate it. Like, no matter what, someone's gonna hate it. But it's fine. Like, I get to have fun. Like, I'm here, and I get to do this, so I don't care. They're on the internet. It doesn't matter.
What's YouTube? It's your boy CDaddy. Today we have Chargers versus Steelers. Steelers defense been going absolutely crazy, bruh. This might be another low-scoring game. I know the 50,000 PO box in the description. Whatever y'all send will be going back there until Christmas Eve. Let's go ahead and get into it. I wouldn't bet on a game like this, bro. I'm not betting on a game like this unless the odds is crazy one way. Sunday Night Football too.
Downfield for DK Metcalf, missed him by a half step. Oh, Aaron's eyes got wide. Saw Metcalf breaking.
We saw some of that. Got their leading sacker, Tui Flotu, on the outside. Going to apply some pressure, but already, anytime that we're seeing that inside move, we're seeing Aaron Rodgers jumping off that spot. But look at this one. This one's a bomb coming here.
Super bomb.
59, he's made a 60.
Christopher Boswell is not human. 60-yarder start the game. Not human.
In a game where it feels like points will be in a premium. First one for Pittsburgh. The long leg of the veteran from 59.
Now starting to flank out. Now starting to get down the field a little bit more than he did last year.
I think Jalen Ramsey playing super safety.
31. Herbert throws inside, complete. Right at the first down marker to Quentin Johnston. Third-year man out of it, and Herbert. 3rd and 3. Watt screaming off the edge at the bottom. Herbert throws inside.
Ooh, he almost picked that off. He almost threw it right to him.
Joey Porter thought
how you not pick that off?
Caleb Johnson, the rookie out of Iowa, is the back, and from the 6, he gets contacted. Another rookie from Oregon, Jamari Caldwell, finishes that off. Loss of a pair for the Steelers. Chargers showing pressure. 3 and 4. Rodgers found the end zone in a little bit of trouble. Dancing away from Mack. He lost the football. Back on it for a safety.
What is A-Rod doing? Get rid of it, nigga. You're 50.
So around Khalil Mack.
Am I tripping? Nigga, you're 50. Get rid of it.
By Rodgers, it was on the other side. The move exactly the same. Khalil Mack comes spinning back in there. Rodgers stepped right into him. Got frozen when he saw him on the spin move. Backed into the end zone, and 2 points.
Saw that come out. It may have been when Rodgers hit the leg or the hip of Troy Fortanu, the tackle, as he was coming back.
Khalil Mack still getting to the quarterback. 3-2 thriller.
McConkey in motion. The throw is incomplete.
3-2 thriller.
The Chicago Bears. So from the 21, Rodgers looking to go up top, slides it inside of DK Metcalf. 18 yards to the 39, and a first down for Pittsburgh. Second and 6. Rodgers slings it again.
Strike in the middle to Darnell out of Georgia.
Referred to earlier.
That boy is 6'7".
Washington. First down at the 41-yard line.
Like he knew what he had.
6'7", 250.
14th catch of the year for Washington. Warren left, nice run. Gets 9 out of that, longest run for either team here in this first quarter. Part of it. First team here in this first quarter. Part of it.
But I seen something else.
Quarter, and Rodgers comes to
little sneaky tight end screen.
Keeps going just shy of the 19-yard line. Pick up a 9 on first down.
In that red zone.
Catch on the season. Back deep, wait for what's coming. Rodgers throw it underneath and try for the catch and run. Gainwell. Rally to the ball for the Chargers and R.J. Mickens. Good from 59. Chris Boswell from 45.
Whoa, whoa.
His run of 16 consecutive kicks.
Whoa. I'm not used to saying that.
On the rare miss, 3rd by Boswell this year. We're back in 30 seconds after this.
I'm not used to saying that.
WS.
Boswell don't miss.
40, another quick one. That's Johnston on the edge. And Quentin Johnston gets a first down to the 48-yard line. So it's back-to-back plays of that theory, Chris. Second and 10.
Feed lad.
What's
going on here? Feed lad.
And a first down to the 41.
Lad he's always open.
First down for the Chargers, just outside the 25. Pressure coming. Herbert pumps it. They chase him down from behind.
Bro, the D-line is coming. You got to get rid of it. The D-line is coming 100% sure.
Comes up with the sack.
Whether you like it or not.
Herbert here on 2nd and 15. Back to pass, throwing.
Thank you. Thank you. Feed lad.
Herbert still limping after the throw to McConkey. He's got it. Thank you. 3rd and 10. 4 in the pattern. Herbert's got time. He's got space. Fires through the hands of McConkey. Nearly intercepted by Duggar. Incomplete. Field goal attempt coming for the Chargers.
Catch and run. There are some big play opportunities that's going to come in this game.
Snap issues last few weeks. Josh Harris, regular snapper, is back.
A 5-2-3 thriller. Whoa.
Has missed just 1 kick all year.
5-3 stunner.
Empty backfield for Rodgers. Looking forward, runs into the sack as he is hit by the dancing former Steeler.
Owe at the bottom. He's been hot rushing the passer.
Here he comes. Picked up. Rodgers shot downfield. Calvin Austin broke it up. Last second. Great play on the dive by Nico Reed, the rookie out of Oregon. Their own 19-yard line here. Herbert back in there. Vidal, another
good defense, buddy. Yep. Like I thought, probably finna be a low-scoring game, bro.
11 yards. 2nd and 17 to Vidal.
Final score might be 5-6. The fuck?
Bringing Vidal to the 35-yard line within 5, maybe 4 yards of a
Final score finna be 4-5.
3rd and manageable here. Keenan Allen, 3rd down. Usually the guy he looks for. Hasn't connected tonight. Covered, sacked. The rookie, the 3rd-year man, Keanu Benton inside. Beg your pardon, comes up now 4.5 sacks on the year. As he gets to Herbert and forces the punt. From the 23, they block for Jalen Warren. 27-yard line, gain of 4. Flying across was Justin Eboigbe to make the tackle. 1 catch, 2 targets tonight. Rodgers 6 of 10 for 56 yards. Second
A-Rod.
down in the middle, high for Metcalf, intercepted.
A-Rod, you overthrew that? DK was low-key open. You overthrew DK twice.
The guy that is going to end up making this play.
He was wide open.
Get here, spin underneath there, and force that high throw.
I'm not saying he wasn't wide open, but he was. He could have caught that.
A couple of high ones out here tonight, and finally got caught on that one.
We mentioned Aaron Rodgers. Historically, one of the best interception rates in the history of the National Football League. Took us back to his youth when he had a 10-interception season. Vidal's got Matlock back there blocking for him. And Kamani Vidal with 8 yards. It's Peyton Wilson and Nick Herbig coming for the tackle. First down snap. Because we're down to 16 seconds left. Herbert throwing inside.
Got lad. Lad, yes, sir.
He's gonna watch this. 1, 2, 3, and wide open.
That boy, lad is just straight lab work.
In my opinion,
he's just straight lab work.
And Herbert just.
He don't know what celebration he gonna do when he get in there, bro. He don't give a fuck.
Jalen Ramsey.
He just care about scoring.
Into the lead. 3rd and 8.
Straight lab.
Steelers bringing an extra one. Herbert in the middle. It's caught. There's Keenan Allen. Ties the Charger mark with that first down grab. His first of the night at the 47-yard line. Noise coming from the Steeler fans. They bring 4. Highsmith.
Down goes Justin. Down goes Justin.
First downs.
Pitch right, nothing. Oh!
By Warren to the 23-yard line. Oh, big leap.
Bang down.
Jalen Warren trying to get it started. Jalen Warren trying to get it started. Oh, what a leap by Warren! Jalen Warren trying to get it started. Oh, what a leap by Warren to the 23-yard line. Trying to get it started. Oh, what a leap 23-yard line. Oh, baby, what a play. Woo.
Watch this. He doesn't even get. Maybe he caught a little bit of the hurdle on the back end of it, but did not break stride. Go ahead, Skeets.
Wow. That was.
He cleared that nigga like a hurdle.
An element of danger to that play. Wideouts in the game here. They're going back to that 11.
And Cap on the move. Third and a couple. Rodgers trying to step up and throw, but he's chased
Down goes Rodgers.
Sacked by Tuli Tuipulotu,
Who?
who is the leader in sacks this year for the Chargers. 1st and 10 for the Chargers from the 23, trying to add to their 9-point lead. They line up with both Fisk and Matlock.
Sunday, said hurt. First down, lad.
McConkey has it. The man with the only touchdown of the game has an 18-yard completion.
That they found it for the touchdown, found it again there.
Fake to Davis, give to Vidal, and there goes Kamani Vidal, who's continuing to be the most consistent player on offense tonight. 11 carries. Clark back there with a consistent player.
Look like he smells something that stank. He smells something that stank.
Clark back there with Kyle Duggar. That's a new combination in the safety spot. And they run inside with Vidal's continuing to get the job done on these inside runs to break the Chargers record for receptions.
34.
He's tied with Antonio Gates. Herbert has the pass deflected and incomplete.
He was feeding Lad off that zig route.
Another deflection at the line of scrimmage.
Dicker the kicker from 60.
Snap good on the way. Online.
This nigga is a dog. From 60.
59-yard field goal snaps
from 60 though.
Josh Harris is back. It was perfect to J.K. Scott. Dicker the kicker. Minter's defense trying to come up with a 3rd and 8 stop. Rodgers in the middle, a lot of contact. It's incomplete. DK Metcalf looking for a flag. He gets none. Rodgers looking for the same. It's incomplete. It is 4th down.
Or why are they getting so much pressure on Herbert? Because they trust Ramsey on the back end.
Also, because they have TJ Watt.
A lot of room. 1st down, slides down at the 44-yard line.
A little bit more of that star position. See if he can't pick one off.
3rd and 14. Inside, it is complete. Couple shy of the 1st down as it goes. Made a 59-yarder about 5 minutes ago. 55. Dicker.
Damn. Damn, that shit was loud as fuck.
Those uprights are about as wide as a dollar bill.
Boom.
Danny Smith, special teams happy. The 45-yard line. 2nd best field position of the night for the Steelers, in need of something good to happen. And maybe that's it. A run of 11 to get them going. Rodgers, a little inside for Freiermuth. Caught at the 35-yard line. Gain of 9. Now we just spin this around for the start. Number 80 on the wing on the right. Protecting Rodgers, now blocking. Warren got away from one, got away from another, got a 1st down to the 14-yard line. Rodgers 5 in the pattern. Looking, throwing, incomplete. He had the pressure.
What, A-Rod threw a 360 pass?
Looking, throwing, incomplete.
But threw a no-looker.
Coming, trying to throw it quick and spin away from the hit, but he was over Kenneth Gainwell. Chargers bring 4. Rodgers back shoulder throw, incomplete for Metcalf.
Nothing.
Cam Hart, 2nd-year man out of Notre Dame, gave him
nothing.
4th down stop. Chargers
Them niggas locking up.
10, leading by 12 with 12:41 to go. Herbert quickly to Quentin Johnston. Stiff arm Johnston. Good move, Johnston. 1st round looking play, Johnston. Gain of 15. Ramsey knocked him out. 3rd and 6. It's Allen's down. Herbert throws. McConkey's got it. He's
Gone. You're not catching him. You're not catching him.
Ramsey, 20, stops his feet, cuts back inside to the 13-yard line. Jalen Ramsey.
You caught, lad.
Back inside, but a 58-yard 3-yard gain for Ladd McConkey. 107. Vidal bouncing outside, inside the 5-yard line. Very close to another Chargers first down.
This is what they needed, though.
First and goal for the 2. It is Vidal to the left.
Touchdown, game over.
Touchdown.
Game's definitely over now.
And now game balls, and then all of a sudden,
Sheesh.
yell out names, and then Harbaugh will scream his name. They'll give out 30 game balls. Sometimes he gets so excited. That might be one of those nights tonight because this is a franchise.
These niggas scraped and clawed for these 22 points though.
Rodgers and the Steelers gotta go.
If you're gonna score on the Steelers, bro, you're gonna scrape and claw. You got safety, field goals.
47. The inside throw off the hands of Calvin Austin and into the hands of the Chargers.
When it rains, it pours.
Out of bounds.
Goodness
The
gracious.
Chargers have intercepted Rodgers.
Goodness gracious.
Here's from Aaron's view, and we've been talking about it. They needed not just a third receiver, they need a second receiver in this offense. And Aaron loves these guys, Calvin Austin, Roman Wilson. They're working with them. They're trying to find that number 2. But if you wonder why they've been playing so much 2 and 3 tight end this year,
Yep.
there's your answer. There's your answer.
What did he say? I don't. Fuck, I used to be good at reading lips. I don't know what he just
We're
said.
not projecting that number just yet, but stay tuned.
Yeah, fuck, man, you fucking
And
suck.
long, Herbert with Watt waiting, and he's got him. So TJ, if he gets a full sack there, will be within a half sack of his brother JJ for the family lead as ever seen. As a matter of fact, the
Wow.
Bosa brothers are the only.
And they're both not, and they're both unreal. They're both not
50
human.
sacks. Muffed. Chargers got it. Can't advance a muff. Charger ball at the 22-yard line. Del'Shawn Phillips will come up with it.
What are
J.K.
these niggas
Scott
doing?
Is terrific at kicking.
What are these
One
niggas
of those
doing?
Rotating balls that's hard to grab.
What are these niggas doing?
And watch these balls come down and thought I wouldn't even try to catch one. They are helicoptering sideways. They hit the side of the ball and they rotate sideways so they slide away from the punt returner, and you can see just
Why would he try to catch
and when
that?
you
I'm
see
so confused.
Professional NFL punt returners who barely get their hands on the ball, you know how much they're moving in midair.
And Sean Williams could not get to it. And Chris, I was downfield, I think with you last week, and watching some of those. Forgetting Ralph from Everton and Arms like on the end of their seats right now. But I know them. Go ahead, tell the story. It's great. I love the game began there. Digger for 42 hooks it in to make it a 22-point game at 25-3. 0-4-4 on the night. Quick and caught. With
Damn.
over a man through to the 44-yard line. Let's pick up
Fire move.
for the
A
tight
little
end.
mad. They a little pissed off.
Look out of order, but now you understand why they were there. Rodgers complete to Metcalf, out of bounds at the 32-yard line.
If y'all don't take A-Rod out, what y'all doing? Trying to get him better? Trying to develop him? Take him out, bro.
Little ones, but nothing that really impacts
Damn,
the
dog.
game.
Third and 4, the inside catch, and Roman Wilson spins into the end zone for the touchdown. So Roman Wilson, who played for Jim Harbaugh in Michigan.
You're going to have opportunities to come in here. There's going to be space. You can see the Chargers ended up making a mistake on that one. Everybody jumped the player in the flat.
What they are trying to build and the style with which they're trying to build. That's a pop pass to Allen that sets the record for the most receptions in Chargers history. So on a pop pass on first down,
And set the Chargers franchise all-time receptions record.
My favorite part is going to be when Keenan Allen is
Off that, I'm asleep.
Chevrolet
That's
post-game
tough.
coming up. Melissa will speak with the stars of the game.
Hey, let me know if y'all get that down below on the 50,000. I was not expecting that type of blowout, bro. Goodness gracious. On the road to 50,000, man, I'm out this bitch.